Consider next example for NFA to DFA conversion. In this example, we will consider NFA with multiple final states. Here, NFA contains two final states. So first step is to write the transition table for given NFA. So P on 0 goes to P or Q. P on 0 goes to P or Q. P on 1 goes to P or S. P or S. Q on 0 goes to R. Q on 1, there is no transition, we write empty set. R on 0 goes to R. R on 1, there is no transition, we write empty set. S on 0, there is no transition. S on 1 goes to T. T on 0, there is no transition. T on 1 goes to T. Now in next step, here we have to mark final states. State R is final state, state T is final state. Now we will start writing transition table for the DFA. We have to start with initial state. Initial state in DFA is same as initial state in NFA. So we take state P as initial state. P on 0 goes to PQ. Here we consider state PQ. P on 1 goes to PS. Here we consider state PS. Now we do not copy these transitions. In the DFA table, we have to consider states reachable from initial state. From P on 0, we go to PQ. So next reachable state is state PQ. For transitions of PQ, we have to make union of transitions of state P and Q in NFA. So P and Q. PQ union R, we get P, Q, R, this state. For transitions on 1, PS union empty set, we get PS, state PS. We have considered state PQ. Next reachable state is PS. So consider state PS. We have to union transitions of P and S. PQ union empty set, we get state PQ. PS union T, we get PST. Next reachable state is state PQR. It is new entry. So consider state PQR. So we have to make union of transitions of P, Q and R. PQ union R, we get P, Q, R. PS union empty set, we get PS. Next reachable state is PS. It is already considered. Next one is PQ. It is already here. Next one is PST. It is new entry. PST. We have to make union of states P, S and T. PQ union empty set, we get PQ. PS union T, we get PST. Next reachable state is PQR. It is here. PS is here. PQ, it is here. PST, it is over here. So we have considered all the states reachable from initial state. We have considered all the states in the transition table. So this is the transition table for DFA. Now we have to mark final states in DFA. Now for final states in DFA, first consider final states in NFA. It is R and T. Here we have two final states. Consider each state in DFA and it should contain at least one final state from NFA. So it should contain the state in DFA, it should contain at least R or T. Here we have R, we mark this final state. Here we have T, we mark this state as final state. Consider each state in DFA, it should contain at least one final state corresponding to NFA. That is how we mark final states in DFA. So we have marked final states in DFA. So this is the complete transition table. Now we will draw transition diagram of DFA. So initial state is state P, then PQ, then PS, PQR, state PQR is a final state. Then PST, state PST is also a final state. P on 0 goes to PQ, P on 1 goes to PS, PQ on 0 goes to PQR, PQ on 1 goes to PS, PS on 0 goes to PQ, PQR on 0 remains in PQR, PQR on 1 goes to PS on 1, PST on 0 goes to PQ, PST on 1 remains in PST. PS on 1 goes to PST. So this is the completed transition diagram of DFA, and we have considered this example primarily to understand if NFA contains multiple final states, then how to consider final states of DFA. Consider each state in DFA, if it contains at least one final state corresponding to NFA, then that state is a final state in DFA.